Kansas CDL air brake test. Question 1. Slack adjusters are A. Part of the air brake system that is used to adjust the brakes. B. Between the power screw and push rod on disc brakes. C. Between the push rod and S-cam on drum brakes. D. All of the above. Answer D. Slack adjusters are an important part of your air brake system that allows you to adjust the brakes to ensure that they are safe. They are located in different places, depending on the type of brakes that you have. Question 2. Which of the following will be true about your brake function if your anti-lock braking system ABS fails? A. You will still have normal brake function and will just need to get the ABS repaired soon. B. It will slow your truck to a halt and force you to pull over. C. It may cause problems with other mechanical systems and possibly pose a huge fire risk. D. You will have no brake function and the truck will be out of control. Answer A. Losing the ABS function does not change the basic parts of your truck, so you will still have the same brakes that you have always had. Simply use them and get the ABS repaired as soon as possible. There is no need to panic, unless your system shows other and more serious warnings. Question 3. Which of the following are true about a dual air brake system? A. Usually, one system operates the front axle and the other one operates the rear axle. B. It uses a single set of brake controls. C. One system is called the primary system and the other one is called the secondary system. D. All of the above are true. Answer D. A dual air brake system is a system designed for safety and used on most heavy-duty vehicles. It uses one set of controls. Typically, the primary system operates the regular brakes on the rear axle, and the secondary system operates the regular brakes on the front axle. Question 4. At what measurement is the safety valve usually set to open? A. 100 psi. B. 250 psi. C. 200 psi. D. 150 psi. Answer D. The safety valve, which protects the system from excessive pressure, is usually set to open when the system reaches 150 psi. Question 5. How can you tell if your vehicle is equipped with an anti-lock braking system ABS? A. The vehicle was manufactured after 2010. B. The vehicle was manufactured after 1998. C. ABS is still optional. D. The vehicle was manufactured after 2000. Answer B. Vehicles manufactured after 1998 are required to have anti-lock brakes. They also have a yellow ABS malfunction lamp. Question 6. Which of the following is an OT part of the air brake system? A. Radio signal system. B. Emergency brake system. C. Service brake system. D. Parking brake system. Answer A. The air brakes are made up of 3 systems: the service brake, the parking brake, and the emergency brake. Before your exam, review the Kansas CDL Manual to familiarize yourself with what each one does. Question 7. An anti-lock braking system ABS. A. Increases your normal braking capability. B. Activates when the wheels are about to lock up. C. Decreases your normal braking capability. D. Shortens your stopping distance. Answer B. ABS does not have much effect on your everyday driving. It does not affect your braking capability or shorten your stopping distance. It just helps you keep your vehicle in control by activating when your wheels are about to lock up. Question 8. How would you check your truck's slack adjusters? A. Use gloves and pull hard on each slack adjuster you can reach. B. Accelerate, then brake hard. C. Press the brake pedal while listening for any strange noises. D. All of the above are correct. Answer A. To check the slack adjusters, try to pull on them manually while wearing gloves. If there is an inch or more of give, there is an issue and they should be fixed. Question 9. The tractor protection valve. A. Provides the air supply for the brake system. B. Will close if you apply the parking brakes. C. Will close automatically if the air supply drops to a certain level. D. Does all of the above. Answer D. The tractor protection valve protects your air brake system by providing the air supply, closing automatically if the air supply drops too low, and closing if you apply the parking brakes on your vehicle. Question 10. What is the best way to test your vehicle's low air pressure warning signal? A. With the engine off, step on and off the brake pedal to lower the air pressure below 60 psi. B. Manually let the air out of your brakes and see if the signal comes on. C. Pump the brakes while your vehicle is fully on. D. Pump the brakes until the air pressure drops below 30 psi. Answer A. The best way to test the low air pressure warning signal is to turn off the engine of your vehicle while leaving the electric power on. Then step on and off the brake pedal. The low air pressure warning signal should come on when the pressure falls below 60 psi. You should never need to get down to 30 psi. Question 11. Under which conditions are front wheel brakes good? A. None. B. Good weather only. C. All weather conditions. D. Wet or icy conditions only. Answer C. Front wheel brakes have been shown to be ideal under all weather and driving conditions. Front wheel braking is unlikely to cause a skid even on icy roads. Question 12. Why must you study air brakes in the state of Kansas? A. Otherwise, you will only be able to receive a CDL permit. B. Otherwise, you will not be able to get a CDL at all. C. All trucks have air brakes in Kansas. D. Otherwise, you will have to get a CDL with restrictions. Answer D. In Kansas, if you have not studied and passed the air brakes knowledge test, you will only be able to get a CDL with a restriction that allows you to only drive vehicles without air brakes. So good luck! Question 13. The purpose of a supply pressure gauge is A. To tell you how hot the air in the tank is. B. To warn you only if there is too little air in the tank. C. To tell you how much air is in the tank. D. All of the above. Answer C. The supply pressure gauge tells you how much air is in the tank at all times. In some vehicles, it may be connected to a warning bell or light. Question 14. When should you drain your air tanks? A. At the end of each working day. B. At the end of a trip. C. At the end of the month. D. At the end of the fiscal quarter. Answer A. Unless your vehicle automatically drains the air tanks, You should drain them at the end of each working day so that the moisture and oil will not freeze or coagulate and cause your brakes to fail. Question 15. After the initial drop, the maximum acceptable leakage rates per minute are A. 5 psi for single vehicles and 10 psi for combination vehicles. B. 3 psi for single vehicles and 4 psi for combination vehicles. C. 1 psi for single vehicles and 3 psi for combination vehicles. D. 5 psi for single vehicles and 6 psi for combination vehicles. Answer B. After the initial drop, the maximum acceptable leakage rates per minute are 3 psi for single vehicles and 4 psi for combination vehicles. If the leakage rate is higher, check for leaks and correct them. Question 16. Which of the following is an OT part of the drum brake? A. Safety valve. B. Axle. C. Brake drum. D. Slack adjuster. Answer A. Drum brakes are on each of your vehicle's axles and contain about 10 different parts, including the axle, slack adjuster, and brake drum itself. While a safety valve is part of the air brake system, it is not part of the drum brake. Question 17. Which vehicles must have low air pressure warning signals? A. Only those built after 2010. B. Only those built after 2005. C. All vehicles with air brakes currently in operation. D. Non-warning signals are optional. Answer C. All vehicles on the road that have air brakes must have low air pressure warning signals. Question 18. When should you use the parking brake? A. Only in urban areas, where there are many other vehicles. B. Only if you are away from your vehicle for an extended period of time. C. Every time you leave your vehicle for any length of time. D. Every time you leave your vehicle, with a few exceptions. Answer D. You should always use your parking brake except when the brakes are very hot or they are wet and at risk of freezing. Question 19. What is the best way to test if your vehicle's spring brakes come on automatically? A. On single vehicles, continue to step on and off the brake pedal until the parking brake valve has popped out. B. Continue to step on and off the brake pedal until the manufacturer's low size specification has been met for spring brakes to deploy. C. On tractor-trailer vehicles, continue to step on and off the brake pedal until the parking brake valve has popped out. D. All of the above are correct. Answer D. On both tractor-trailers and single vehicles, to test whether the spring brakes will come on automatically, use the same method you use for testing the low air pressure warning signal. Step on and off the brake pedal, this time until you reach an even lower psi reading and the parking brake valve closes or pops out. Question 20. Spring brakes are A. Not going to take full effect until your psi drops to a certain range, typically 20 to 30 psi. B. Brakes that come on automatically on a truck or tractor when the psi drops too low. C. Made up of powerful springs that are held back by air pressure while you are driving. D. All of the above. Answer D. Spring brakes are an important backup system, powerful springs that automatically apply the brakes if they sense that air pressure has been lost for some reason, such as a leak. They will also apply the brakes if the psi gets too low, although ideally, you should take control of your brakes before that happens. Question 21. Which of the following is an OT part of the braking process when driving a tractor-trailer combination vehicle with an anti-lock braking system? ABS. A. Brake the same way no matter what you're driving. a vehicle with ABS, a vehicle with a trailer, or something else? B. When you slow down, you should monitor your tractor and trailer and ease off the brakes to keep control. C. You should use only the braking necessary to stay safely in control. D. You should drive faster so that you will be able to keep the trailer and tractor straight. Answer D. When driving a tractor-trailer combination that has ABS, drive the same way that you always have. Do not drive any differently just because of ABS. Only use the braking necessary to keep control, pay attention when you slow down, and brake the same way regardless of what you're driving. Never speed up unless it is a part of the safe driving process already. Question 22. How do brakes work on a long, steep downgrade? A. Not applicable. No braking effect is involved in a downgrade. B. They work as the main braking mechanism. C. They work as the main braking mechanism with the engine braking effect as an emergency backup. D. They work as a supplement to the braking effect of your engine. Answer D. When you drive down long, steep downgrades, the braking effect of your engine is what's most important, and your brakes are only a supplement to being in the proper low gear. They cannot compensate for your vehicle being in an unsafe high gear without putting too much pressure on your brakes. Question 23. Which of the following should you do before leaving your vehicle unattended? A. Remove the keys. B. Put on the parking brakes. C. Chock the wheels. D. Do all of the above. Answer D. To ensure that your truck will be safe when you leave it unattended, apply the parking brakes and chock the wheels. Removing the keys is a simple safety tip for any vehicle, even a passenger car. Question 24. Which of the following can cause brakes to fail or fade? A. Excessive use of the service brakes. B. Not relying enough on engine braking. C. Brakes being out of adjustment. D. All of the above. Answer D. Brake fade and fail are usually due to incorrect use of the brakes that causes excess heat. This may be caused by incorrect brake adjustment, not enough reliance on engine braking, excessive use of the service brakes, or another mechanical factor or human error. Question 25. If the air tanks are not drained, A. Your left brake will cease to operate. B. Your brakes may fail because of water freezing. C. Your transmission fluid may drain out. D. You will drive too quickly. Answer B. Your air tanks hold a mixture of water and compressor oil. If left inside to collect at the bottom, the water may freeze and cause brake failure.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.